This video shows you how to clean inside your scanner. Without regular cleaning, dust buildup inside the scanner may cause spots or lines in your scanned images. Cleaning the rollers. Make sure the scanner is unplugged. Then, open the scanner, release the lever, and open the scanner cover. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the rollers inside the scanner cover. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the pickup rollers. Plug in the scanner and press the power button to turn it on. Hold down the scan button for at least 2 seconds. Then press it again several times to rotate the scanner rollers. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the rollers as they rotate. When you are finished cleaning the rollers, turn the scanner off and unplug it. Cleaning the sensor glass. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the glass inside the scanner. If the glass is stained with grease or some other hard-to-remove material, use a small amount of glass cleaner on a soft cloth to remove it. Be careful not to place too much force on the glass, and make sure to wipe off all remaining liquid. Cleaning the sensors. Use a dry cotton swab to wipe off any dust or dirt on the sensors. Now, close the scanner cover, plug in the scanner, and turn it on. To keep your product working at its best, you should clean it often.